Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best dash cams. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1, Rove R2 4K Dashcam Built-in Wi-Fi GPS Car. Rove R2 hits the Goldilocks zone when it comes to affordability and functionality. While we've yet to get our hands on the R2 for evaluation, it's currently the best seller on Amazon for car-on-dash mounted cameras, a superlative that it earns for good reason, even at its $120 price point. The R2 features 4K video recording with a 150-degree field of view, along with an LCD screen, smartphone connectivity, and GPS, if those specs seem too good to be true. Consumer reviews on Amazon back up the capability. The Chicago-based startup began as an at-home business, with the goal to design innovative dash cams and bring them to market at a reasonable price. From what we can see, it's succeeding. Speaking of memory cards, the R2 4K is compatible with microSD cards with a capacity of up to 512 gigabytes. This is understandable because 4K video takes up a lot more space than HD video, but we're still comfortable with the 256 gigabytes card we recommended earlier. Rove doesn't include a microSD card with this dash cam, but does bundle it with a number of other helpful accessories. Rove's premium hardware is complemented by helpful accessories, so there isn't much of a reason to look elsewhere unless you have very specific feature requirements. Number 2, Shorta Dual Dash Cam System. The Shorta Dual Dash Cam System is the perfect choice for those looking to record both the front and rear of their cars while driving or parked. The rear camera is waterproof to protect it against the elements, and it also has 4 infrared LED lights for superior night vision while reversing or recording the road behind you. The rear camera also acts as a backup guide camera for parking and maneuvering. The front camera has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and the rear camera has a 130-degree wide-angle lens to reduce blind spots. Along with the lithium-ion backup battery, this dash cam system uses a supercapacitor for reliable operation in extreme temperatures, from -86°F to 158°F. Both cameras shoot in full 1080p HD at 30 frames per second for ultra-clear video at high speeds. The body of the front camera features a compact design, and the 3-inch LCD display has a screensaver mode for distraction-free driving. However, it's otherwise a top contender for its intuitive design, innovative features, and compatibility with rear cameras, pros front and rear cameras. Superior night vision. Compact design. Easy to install. Cons: subpar mounting setup. Number 3, Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p Dash Cam. With ride-sharing services becoming a bigger part of our lives, it's important for drivers to keep themselves protected in case of an accident or customer complaints. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam is designed with ride-sharing service drivers in mind. It has a front-facing camera to record traffic and a rear-facing camera to record the interior of the car. The rear-facing camera has 4 infrared LED lights for clear recording at night and in low light environments. Both cameras shoot video in full 1080p HD to capture crisp details. The dash cam system can be set to automatically turn on with the car's ignition, and the LCD display has an auto-off feature for distraction-free driving day and night. The system also has a built-in microphone to record audio from the car's interior. You can create a time-lapse video to show a series of events, and the motion sensor protects your car while parked. Vantrue offers an 18-month warranty with 24-hour email support. You can also purchase an optional GPS system to integrate with the dash cam for greater protection. Pros: rear-facing camera records interior. Infrared LED lights for night recording. Automated features. Parking modes. Cons: always records when battery powered. Number 4, Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dash Cam. Vantrue's N4 isn't just a dashcam, it's a whole car security system that more than justifies its higher price tag. The kit comes with 3 cameras, a dashcam with front and rear-facing lenses, and a third that can be mounted onto the back of your vehicle. Vantrue includes a 20-foot cable to connect the rear dash cam to your power adapter, but setting it up does require you to string a cable through your entire car. This is a hassle, but you'll end up with cameras that can record video of events that happen in front and behind your car, which can be very helpful if you get rear-ended. If you opt to hardwire these dash cams to your car, you'll get the benefits of 24/7 collision detection, motion detection, and constant low bitrate recording. Even if we feel that Vantrue should bundle them together for a slightly lower price, that's especially true because the company requires you to buy an additional $22 accessory if you want the cameras too. Record your current location and speed with a GPS. If you have all three cameras running at once, the forward-facing camera will lower its resolution to 1440p, still better than HD, while the rear camera records 1080p video. Number 5. Wolfbox 12-inch mirror dashcam backup camera. We're wrapping up our list with what is clearly one of the most discreet solutions when it comes to dash cams. The Wolfbox 12-inch mirror dashcam is designed to replace your rearview mirror and act as a dashcam. In other words, you never have to worry about it serving as a distraction or ruining the vibes of a clean interior. That's not all, though. This dual-channel dash cam can also serve as a backup camera. Still not floored? What if we told you that it also has a GPS function to help you navigate and that Wolfbox also throws in a free 32GB SD card? Make no mistake, this thing does way more than you might expect it to. Of course, seeing as this replaces the existing rearview mirror, installation is slightly more complicated than usual. That, paired with the not-so-user-friendly setup and lack of MPH readings, makes it a no-go for some consumers. Pros: discreet appearance, can function as a backup camera, free SD card. Cons: inherently difficult install, difficult to set up.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.